अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं सलाम बेंगलोर। सलमान निसार अहमद की वालिदा मोहतरमा कौसर निसार की ज़ेर निगरानी में मेगा जॉब फेयर का ऐलान किया गया है। शहर बेंगलोर के मस्जिद खादरिया ईदगाह ग्राउंड में बरोज़ शनिचर 2 सितंबर सुबह 10 बजे से मेगा जॉब मुनक़िद हो रहा है, जिसमें तकरीबन 100 से ज़ायद कंपनियां हिस्सा ले रही हैं। इस प्रोग्राम का मकसद सिर्फ और सिर्फ लोगों को रोज़गार फराहम करना है। इसमें बेसिक जॉब से लेकर हाईटेक जॉब फराहम किया जा रहा है। इसमें हर तबके के लोग से अपील की जा रही है कि इस सुनहरे मौके का भरपूर फ़ायदा उठाएं।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ellarge namaskara. May peace and blessings be upon each and everyone watching this. My name is Salman Nisar Ahmed, and we have created a concept called Mega Job Fair that is being conducted with the permission of the creator at the Khadriya Masjid, Quddus Sahib, Eidgah Mohalla is what some of you call it, and it's an interfaith event at its core. Apart from being an event with the vision that is to maximize employment, irrespective of what socio-economic background that you have, irrespective of what qualification that you have, irrespective of all gender, caste, religion, we are here to provide a great platform of 100 corporates, ranging from the most basic jobs to the very high technical jobs. It can be in a big software company, it can be a job of a delivery boy. The point is that we want everyone to have the resource and strength and ability to be safeguarded in terms of fixed income. वो सेफ्टी बहुत ज़रूरी है ज़माने में. So fixed income will give what? It gives good shelter, it gives good lifestyle, at least some खाना पीना, and to ability to take care of your loved ones, most importantly. So that is what we intend to do with this event.
What is the intention behind it?
Intention, as I said earlier, is to maximize employability within not only our community but all communities in the house of the creator.
Now, many people assume that when you say a job fair, it means only for graduates.
No.
Now, what do you have apart from that?
This is a very wrong notion that people have, that job fairs are meant for only the graduates. Please understand, sir, the percentage of graduates in Bangalore city is a very, very small percentage. The very big percentage, I can say almost even 50%, are the ones who are actually uneducated, are the ones who have second PC fail, are the ones who are 10th standard fail. So where will these people go? What is their life here or not? So that is where we come in between. We are trying to maximum that job also, and apart from that, higher level jobs as well.
Do you have something lined up for people who are undergraduates and
See, yeah, we have some ranging from hospitality, retail, IT, delivery jobs, packaging jobs. It's ranging from across the board, across the spectrum, irrespective of this socio-economic background.
So total कितने कंपनियां आएंगी?
100 companies is our guarantee, is what we're trying to ensure.
Okay. So in chief case that is attending.
Yeah, inshallah, we are expecting Honorable Speaker Sir, Mr. UT Khadr Saab's presence there, His Holiness the Archbishop of the state of Karnataka. We have invited the spiritual leaders of the Hindu community among the state. We have also invited all the spiritual leaders of the Muslim community of all the state. So we are all positioning ourselves to create a more clear and open path for having the control over ilm, irrespective of whatever comes in between, because ilm and knowledge is your greatest asset. It will be with you when you don't have properties, when you don't have a parent support, it is there with you. So please ilm ko hasil karo.
Sir, how many days program and what is the timing?
So it's a one-day program. It's on 2nd September. It is happening from 10 a.m. onwards. The venue is Khadriya Masjid, which is in Benson Town.
When you say interfaith program, why did you select masjid?
See, brother, religion, actually it's all very same. Everyone's religion. See, first what? We are human beings, insan. First, let us not ever forget that. And what do we believe in? We believe in the oneness of the Creator. So for example, see, in our community we call Allah. Allah's definition is the one true Creator. So same way Brahma also is one concept in Hinduism where they believe in the oneness of the Creator. It means on that particular topic Brahma I'm talking about. Then Yahweh, the Christians and the Jewish people believe that He is the one sole Creator. Point is, the basic fact hai. I don't have to try to explain. You understand, we're all same species. We're all same within, we have same features. We have blood from within inside. We have 2 hands, 2 eyes. You understand my point? We're all human being species. We're the same species. We have self-consciousness. We can make our own decisions. So point is, it is in His name we're doing this event in the honor of my mother, Madam Chancellor Kausar Nisar, Madam.
So now, if somebody has to contact or if any they have any doubts, whom will they contact?
So I'm sure in this you will get a QR code and other information around me. So you can easily grab the information from there, or you can just scan a photo of the QR code.
Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Suhail. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all. हमारा जॉब फेयर वी आर प्लानिंग ऑन जॉब फेयर हो रहा है एंड 2nd of coming September. So this is a good opportunity for all of them, those who have have skills and who have potential to get placed in non-IT and IT sector. And I think this is a time where many people are struggling for jobs. Many people are actually struggling for get placed. Kindly use this opportunity and make sure that you come for this event.
कितने बजे से?
It is starts from morning at 9 onwards. It goes up to till evening, and I want you all to come, make use of this. Share this to all your friends, your family. It's in Masjid Qadriya Masjid. It's in Qadriya Masjid, and आप सबको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत कम है. जॉब मार्केट भी आजकल बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रहा है. ये प्लेटफॉर्म है हम सब के लिए, भाई बहन के लिए, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी इस्तेमाल करने के लिए आप सब लोग आना है. और एक्चुअली क्या है, ये जॉब जो है ये प्लेटफॉर्म देता है सबको, हर एक सबको जो क्वालिफाइड, मोस्ट ऑफ देम हु आर क्वालिफाइड के लिए, और सम ऑफ देम क्वालिफाइड नहीं है उनको भी है ये जॉब फैसिलिटी. सो
टोटल कितने कंपनीज होंगे सर?
टोटली अभी कंपनीज वी विल बी मोर देन 40 कंपनीज आएंगे. अच्छा, इट विल बी मोर देन 40 कंपनीज, डिफरेंट इनटू वेरियस दिस वन IT एंड नॉन IT. प्लस हमारे पास ये भी है हाउसकीपिंग के लिए, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स के लिए, वो भी कंपनीज है जो मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन दे कैन कम. तो प्लीज मेक यूज ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू सो मच. अभी क्या है, जॉब एक मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन है. आप जो मगर जॉब के साथ साथ आपका स्किल्स भी अच्छा है, तो आपको इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छा रहना है. और अभी क्या है, जॉब प्लेसमेंट के लिए खाली क्वालिफिकेशन इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. अभी क्वालिफिकेशन साथ साथ आपके पास एडिशनल स्किल्स भी चाहिए. एटलीस्ट मिनिमम एक बेसिक एक्सेल मिनिमम रहना चाहिए, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स रहना चाहिए, और स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट. यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट. अभी इन कर्नाटका में लैक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए, मगर मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है हमारे कंपनीज में. यू टेक BPOs कंपनी ले लो, आप KPOs कंपनी ले लो, बट क्या मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन है, एक लैंग्वेज, आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स शुड बी स्मार्ट, और एक बेसिक कंप्यूटर नॉलेज, दिस हैज टू बी देयर. दिस इज अ बेसिक आपके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है. ये एडवांस अपॉर्चुनिटी मतलब क्या है, एडवांस एक्सेल, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, ये पूरा एडवांस्ड है. और आजकल एडवांस के लिए कंपटीशन भी ज्यादा है, और वो अभी जो आदमी लोग है हर एक के पास एडिशनल क्वालिटीज है. तो ये एटलीस्ट आप लोग मिनिमम क्वालिटीज आप इस्तेमाल करो, अपडेट करो आपका, सो दैट आपका बायोडाटा में अपडेट हो जाएगा, आपको प्लेसमेंट इजी हो जाएगा.